Hello everyone, Miss Cole here, I hope you're okay. Today we are going to be doing an activity based on homophones. Okay, I know the children in my class have done a few lessons on this already, so hopefully this will be a bit of a recap and then you're going to make something based on homophones. Okay, so remember a homophone, okay, is a word which sounds the same as another word but is spelt completely differently and has a different meaning. Okay, so in my little classroom dining room here, I've got a few examples for you. So we've got these two here, flower and flower. So the flower we use in a cake and the flower we might find in our gardens, they are pronounced the same, they sound the same, but if you notice they are spelt differently, and obviously we know they are completely different things. We know those words have different meanings. We wouldn't put this flower in our cake, would we? Okay? And we wouldn't go out to pick some flowers from our garden and come back with a bag of this. Okay, another example is C and C. So these are homophones because whilst they both sound the same, they are spelt differently and they mean different things. So this C, this spelling, S-E-A, this is the C we would see if we went to the beach. We would see if we went to the beach. And this spelling of C, S-E-E, is what we see when we use our eyes. Okay, what do we see in front of us? And then we've got one more example here, pear and pear. So sound the same, a pair of socks, but that's spelled P-A-I-R. And then the pear, the fruit that we eat, P-E-A-R. Okay, so perfect example there of some homophones. They sound the same, but they are spelt differently and they have different meanings. So today, I would like you to make one of these. Okay, so this is a little kind of a guide for yourself to remember what homophones are, but you could also turn this into a bit of a game to use on someone that you've got at home with you at the moment. Okay, so to create one of these, you need to get a sheet of paper, okay, and fold it in the middle, just like so, okay. The amount of pairs of homophones you use will depend on how many flaps you make available on each side. Okay, so if I cut down there and there, there and there, you would have 3 pairs of homophones. Okay, so that's completely up to you based on the size of the paper you use and the amount of homophones you choose to use. So in my example, I've done 4 pairs. I've used the 3 on the wall and an extra one here. So if I show you how I've laid it out, and then I'll show you how you can turn it into a bit of a game. Okay, so my first examples are here, the 2 we've got on the wall. We've got flower and flower. So on the front, I've put a picture of the homophone, and then on the inside, I've shown my understanding of these homophones by putting the correct spelling, so you can see how to spell those words, but also I've showed that I really understand what these words mean by then putting them in a sentence on the back of my flap. Okay, so I need flour to make a cake. I smelt the beautiful flower. Okay, I've done the same with 2 C's and the homophones of pear. Now what I thought you could do is you could have a go at making this in secret and then testing someone in your household on it. So this one, I haven't told you what this is yet, but what you could do is you could explain to somebody in your house exactly what homophone is. Okay, and then you could ask them, okay, now you know what homophone is, what does this one show? Okay, so have a go. Got a lady here on a broomstick, we've got a question mark. Okay, so well done if you got it. This homophone is for the words which. So this one is a question mark, which shows the word W-H-I-C-H. So this is the sort of which we'd use if we were offering a choice or putting it in a question. So which game would you like to play? And of course this is the which that has the cauldron and rhymes with the broomstick. So W-I-T-C-H, the witch flew on her broomstick. Okay, so this is a really nice little tool you've got there to help you remember what homophones are and show off as well all of what you've learned. Okay, so I really hope you have fun making those and I'd love to see some of the exciting homophones you come up with. Okay, good luck and remember to share it with me if you've made one. Take care, bye bye.